What is the agenda for this video? Welcome to this video on Terraform. In this video, we'll explore Terraform, its history, how it works, its advantages over scripting languages and other alternative tools, use cases, and how you can boost your career with Terraform. What is Terraform and its history? Terraform is an open-source infrastructure as code tool developed by HashiCorp in 2014. It enables the provisioning, management, and versioning of infrastructure in a safe, repeatable, and scalable way. It supports cloud providers like AWS, Google Cloud Platform, Microsoft Azure, and many more. With Terraform, you can define your infrastructure using HCL, HashiCorp configuration language, and automate your deployment process. Why we need Terraform? Managing infrastructure can be a cumbersome and time-consuming task, especially in complex environments. Terraform solves this problem by providing a simple and declarative way of managing infrastructure. With Terraform, you can define your infrastructure as code, version it, and apply it to multiple environments. It helps in automating the entire infrastructure lifecycle, from provisioning to maintenance, ensuring consistency across the environments. How does Terraform work? Terraform works by following a simple three-step process. Configuration: Terraform code is written in HCL. It describes the desired infrastructure, including resources and their dependencies. Planning: Terraform generates an execution plan that outlines what resources need to be created, updated, or deleted to achieve the desired state. Execution: Terraform applies the execution plan and creates, updates, or deletes resources as required. How Terraform is different than scripting languages and other alternative tools. Terraform is different from scripting languages and other alternative tools in that it provides a declarative way of defining infrastructure. Scripting languages like Python, Ruby, and Bash require you to write scripts that perform specific tasks. Terraform, on the other hand, allows you to define the desired state of your infrastructure, and it handles the underlying details of making that state a reality. Other alternative tools like Ansible, Chef, and Puppet focus on configuration management, whereas Terraform focuses on infrastructure as code, including creating and managing resources. How we can boost our career with Terraform. Terraform is becoming increasingly popular among DevOps professionals and infrastructure engineers. It is an in-demand skill that can give you a competitive advantage in the job market. If you're looking to boost your career in DevOps, cloud infrastructure, or site reliability engineering, Terraform is an excellent tool to add to your skill set. Use cases for Terraform? Terraform can be used in various use cases, including infrastructure provisioning. Terraform can be used to provision resources in a cloud environment like AWS, GCP, Azure, or on-premises infrastructure. Multi-cloud deployments. Terraform can deploy infrastructure across multiple cloud providers and hybrid clouds. Environment standardization. Terraform can ensure consistent infrastructure across different environments, including development, testing, and production. Disaster recovery. Terraform can be used to create and maintain disaster recovery environments, ensuring business continuity. Summary: Terraform is an excellent tool for managing infrastructure in a safe, repeatable, and scalable way. It allows you to define infrastructure as code, ensuring consistency and reducing the risk of errors. If you're looking to boost your career in DevOps, cloud infrastructure, or site reliability engineering, Terraform is a great tool to add to your skill set. Thank you for watching this video on Terraform. Don't forget to subscribe to become tech expert in latest technologies.